Hi everybody, Christopher with the Adventure Van Conversions. Today you see behind me an unusual vehicle, which is a Toyota 78 series, which is called Troopy in Australia and bush taxi in some parts of the world, as far as I know. We are not Toyota specialists yet, for sure, so we started this project some time ago. One of our customers called us and said, I want that you guys make me a Toyota because I love your interior, I love your quality of work, I love how you make electronics, bamboo and all the aluminum cabinetry, and he wanted that we do his vehicle. So this is the rig, which is very well equipped, but it was delivered to us by the customer with the pop-top, with all the accessories installed outside. So I won't talk too much about them. We can actually do such work because it's quite easy. There's a lot of parts accessibility around the world for these Toyotas is very, very big. So if anyone wants to make such a vehicle with us, then he is welcome. We can do it completely. So let's start with a ARB bull bar, with the winch, with laser lights, terrain tamer, suspension, Tom's aluminum wheels, BF Goodrich tires, snorkel, laser lamps, alu cap popped up with some boxes, with solar panel on the roof, with some cool features like the gull wing here, which I will switch on the light in. We have interior wise, we have two Shieldman seats with a fridge between them, and pretty much the whole vehicle is sound dampened, soundproofed, so it's driving really, really comfy. We do have, as I mentioned before, a cool gull wing, which you can access from inside and outside. So when you're doing some shopping, you can put some shopping here easily. You don't have to walk all the time in the car. We have some USB ports, 230 volt ports. So here we have an alu cap shower, which has very easy access to the shower outlet, where about very soon we will actually install a pipe here, a flexible pipe, which will allow to heat the shower. We are making this movie today because we have a really beautiful weather and the whole next week should be very rainy. So I wanted to show you the car. So just this little part missing, it will be installed, I think, tomorrow. So we have a cool access to this one, to the alu cap shower. You can actually connect with a person who is inside because you can open the window, so always someone can toss you some things. Popped up, fully opening popped up from alu cab. This was delivered, as I mentioned before. So we do have a 270-degree awning. We have the recovery boards table, so the mount is actually a table, so you can open it, and we are using it to make that movie. Obviously we do have a cool outside table with some cool lights. I mean, you can do white lights, you can do red lights for the, you know, just to have the box away. So if you're working here, you can have this light. It's really, really cool feature. And obviously the interior, which is made all in our original aluminum and bamboo technology, which we are manufacturing our vans in since 2017. This interior was made custom for the customer, so he wanted this layout and these dimensions, but because we started to work on this Toyota, we have actually created couple versions of it. So here we have, for example, quite convenient but small fridge, 49 liters with a freezer. That's a Dometic fridge. So if anyone would like to have a bigger fridge, we can actually put a drawer fridge in the front, and here we can have a very big storage place. So a lot of possibilities in such Toyota. I will walk inside. So I will show you some features. So first of all, you saw we have a very easy access to the fridge from outside and from inside. We have a quite big countertop for all of your cooking. You can cook induction, single plate induction, or you can cook with propane gas cooker. We recommend to cook outside on the two burner cooker, on the gas cooker, and inside there's a one pot induction cooker which you can plug in here and you can use it inside. So if you need more counter space, then you have this little table And you have this huge slide out here. So if you need more space, if you need to work on the road, if you need to put your laptop in comfy, nicely warm place, you can do it here. You can access the gull wing here very easily. So we have a tap in here and a quite big sink as for such size vehicle with a little chopping board. It can cover it and extend your worktop space. We have an easy access to whisper power inverter. We have the access to Truma in here. We have all the ports and outlets. We have a huge storage. I mean, this one is absolutely huge. It holds also a small gray water tank, so if you are camping in the city sometimes, you don't make mess under the vehicle, no one's gonna bother you. We have sliding drawers all the way, a lot of them. We have a big box for the Truma D4E heater with water heater, another huge storage box, and more storage on the seating place. So here we have an access to a little Trobolo toilet, and behind the toilet and everywhere we have a very pressed and very well used space, because we've installed all of the electronics deeply in the chassis of the vehicle, trying to save as much as possible of the living space and extend all of the storage spaces, because in such small car you really need a lot of storage, a lot of clever storage, a lot of clever places to store things. So here we're gonna velcro this back. And also this one goes, and you can actually put it here and you can extend your sleeping space. So you take this cover here and you install it here. You have a secondary bed if you like. We do have thermo-isolated blinds for the windows, mosquito nets, everything made in-house at Adventure Van Conversions. So you can actually cover these guys very easily. They're magnetic, so they will stick to the chassis of the vehicle. So now you are nicely boondocking, no one see you, but also you can have a bug screen if you need it, if you're in super warm place and you want to have good airflow and not the bug flow. So a lot of features like little nice lights, USB ports, 230 volt ports all around the vehicle, here, there and there, like everywhere. So you can plug things all around the vehicle without tossing all of the wires and cables all around. So it's really cool. You can stand up, obviously. This is a classic Toyota feature, so people who use these vehicles, they know it. It's really, you know, you can extend the space and you can live and walk in here. It's super cool. So when we go to the driver's cab, the reason we've installed the screen here is obviously because it's convenient. This car is very small, so if it's here or there, it doesn't make too much difference. So you can easily access it here and super easily access it while you drive. So you don't have to look in your phone, in your app, when you just want to check some features. So your water pump, a fridge, lights, and so gray water tank, a drop, and everything is connected to this screen. And as I mentioned before, if you would run out of the starter battery, you just press the recovery mode, and in 5 to 10 minutes you can start your vehicle and start driving. So obviously the Alpha is equipped with double power charging if it comes from shore power. So you can charge with 110 and 230 volts with one pretty much unit. So it's cool because it's a global cruiser. So actually in couple days, just after delivering the vehicle to the customer, he will drive pretty much directly to Mauritania. He will just pack his stuff and start his journey. So it's really cool that one unit is so convenient that you can take it all around the world and not care about, you know, just kind of a transferring power from 230 to 110 or 110 to 230. So it's really cool. What is also cool is that anytime you plug it in the shore power, or anytime the solar charges the battery fully, the house battery, it will charge back the power to the front batteries. This is like the best system. This is why we use it. And it's actually getting very dark outside, so we have to wrap this session. I hope that you like the mods we did here. It's a very simple vehicle. We do have couple layouts available, and we are open to, you know, manufacture these vehicles in custom orders. They are very close to my heart. I really always wanted a 78 series. It was a dream vehicle of mine. If you want to order one, visit our page adventurevanconversions.com. drop me an email, info@adventurevanconversions.com. I can make you a custom pricing. We will have a price tag on this build, and we can also work in custom ways with these Toyotas. I really am super happy that we finally had the chance to make such a vehicle. See you next time. Christopher, Adventure Van. Cheers.